how to open and use new private window on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Firefox, this is the home page. Now go to the home page and go here on those three lines, click, and now go down here. You will find this new private window option. Click on it, and here as you can see, now I'm on the next level privacy. As you can see here, you can search for anything, and as you can see, Firefox clears your search and browsing history when you close all private windows, but this doesn't make you anonymous, but at least it's more safer than the normal use. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.